Pigeons. They're everywhere. Honestly, there's probably not a single statue that hasn't been decorated by one of these birds. Most people see them as freeloaders, begging for food and leaving messes. But here's the twist. The white dove has been a symbol of peace since biblical times. And from ancient history all the way to the 20th century, pigeons were the backbone of communication, aka pigeon post. So how did humans train these dumb birds to deliver mail? And what else are pigeons capable of? We tend to think birds aren't smart, but in the 1960s, Soviet biologist Leonid Voronin studied reflexes across animals. Crows and ravens learned almost as fast as primates. Pigeons? Not so much. After 1,500 repetitions, they improved only about 10 to 15%. Still, they managed to deliver letters across huge distances. How? Scientists agree pigeons, like turtles, sharks, and fish, sense Earth's magnetic field, using it as both map and compass. But where in their body? For a while, researchers thought it was in the beak. Later studies didn't confirm that, so there's still a bit of mystery. And forget the fantasy mail systems in Harry Potter or Game of Thrones. Even the best-trained pigeons fly only one way, home. That's their superpower. Distances of 80 kilometers? Easy. Why pigeons? They're hardy, cheap to feed, and mature quickly. Some even became war heroes. In 1918, an American pigeon named Cher Ami delivered 12 messages, survived being shot, and saved about 200 soldiers by bringing word they needed reinforcements. And if you think all pigeons look like the gray ones in your city, surprise, there's a huge variety. Baby pigeons? You almost never see them in cities because they don't leave the nest until about 30 days old. By then, they look like adults. Here's the wildest part. Pigeons can detect cancer. U.S. researchers trained common rock pigeons to distinguish benign from malignant tumors in medical images. Radiologists trained for 9 years. Pigeons nailed it in 15 days. With food rewards, they reached 85% accuracy, and after 30 days, nearly perfect. Why? Their vision is insanely sharp. The pigeon brain may be small, but its visual processing is powerful. Where humans struggle to spot differences, pigeons see them instantly. They even learned to recognize English letters back in 1982. So next time you see pigeons in the park, maybe don't kick them. They're messy, sure, but also mail carriers, war heroes, and even medical assistants. And that's baby science for you.